What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4 game development live stream where we're working on Project Hero using, of course, Unreal Engine 4, C++, the blueprints, the gameplay ability system, all that jazz. I kind of forgot what we did last time because it's been actually a full week. I know we were trying to fix that issue with the shield. I know that's still going to be a problem, I think, for a long time. But I think we were working on I don't know, just general little camera stuff. Like the free look, I think it's T, right? Yeah. But we can kind of just do that. And then press T again and come back over. And we're running. We can zoom in and out. So today I want to do a couple things. I got an email about featured marketplace stuff. So this is on the marketplace for free, and I'm wondering if this is what I have or if I don't have it because it looks nice. So I definitely want to have it, you know. So I'm gonna see if we can get that from the marketplace, just put into our project. And then after we do that, I kind of want to work on a targeting system, see how well we can do that. So we target something by pressing a key. I'm guessing we'll have to do some sort of like cylindrical trace for an object, pick the closest one, and, you know, just fucking target it. You know, I have to make some sort of widget component. I don't know how well it should work. So I know it's a showcased item. So are they free or are they just really cheap? Because I could have sworn. Oh, I saw it on Twitter. Am I gonna have to dig through this fucking feed again just to see it? No. Yeah. How do you go over to the marketplace to get lost in this month's free content? Okay, do I have to just log in? Let's log in and see what we can get. Bum, ba, da, da, bum. Oh boy. Oh boy, let's get this code. Bum, 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 bum. All right. This one. Buy now. Okay. Did that work? What's it called? Stylized forest? I don't know where it downloaded it. Did I download onto my desktop? No. Yeah, one of these days we're gonna also set up Unreal Engine 5, but I don't want to do that right now. So is it literally called Stylized Forest? Yeah, so I do own it. Okay. It's not a project, is it? Where is the Stylized forest? Am I blind? I must be blind. Stylized forest. How do I, like... No, do I just add to project? Yeah. What other assets are free? Might as well try to add as much free shit as you can. So robots, we don't need third-person story template, underground subway, easy building system. Nah. Okay. So we should be good. So I should have a stylized forest. I do. So I have a map. Okay. Can I mark all those for add really easily? No. Yeah. All right, we're gonna do this the slow way. Okay, cool. But we do got bushes and shit. That's nice. This will definitely come in handy when we actually do some sort of level design, I guess. Oh, and we have logs. Yes! I definitely want to use those at some point. So let's see what this one looks like in this context. Definitely looks nice. It looks big. Yeah, that looks pretty legit. We're gonna have to load. Let's just put all these in just to see them all. So we got like a little trees. Okay. And our rocks. Very tiny rock, if I may say so myself. Oh, this is not. But I do want to get into some programming soon, so let's not fuck around too much. Whoa! Alright. So, let's create a dummy actor. Just so we could have like a target practice actor. Let's create a new class. It could be actor. I don't want it to be a pawn. I don't want to possess it at all. Hero underscore dummy. I guess we gotta create a folder, right? Actors. What would be the best place for this? Probably actors. Test dummy or something like that. Guess I would want to call it test dummy. Let's create this class. Like, I want something to start out with so I can, like, if we end up getting this target locking working, just to have something to test on, like a simple actor, like a cube for now. Maybe we can end up making one of those things that they use for like sword fighting practice and stuff like that. Maybe that could evolve. Yeah, that's fine that didn't load correctly. This music is too fucking creepy, if I'm gonna be honest. Let's no, hold on. I just found Avatar: The Last Airbender, 1 hour of lo-fi chill out music. I wonder what the hell that's gonna sound like. I think it sounds nice. Alright, do we have our test dummy? Yeah. So we're gonna have to fix a couple of things, I know that for sure. Definitely in the includes. So it has to include hero. I should look that up. UE4, C++. When creating new classes, include directory is wrong. This seems legit. Well, I can't wait to see ++ classes and da-da-da-da. You should put your classes inside either a public subfolder or a classes subfolder, not both. Public is preferred. This for. All right, so I have to create. So that's why. All right, I'll have to try to remember that for the future. I'm not going to worry about it right now, I suppose. So I think this is okay. Let's just compile fast. Yeah, that's not music's not doing it for me either. How's everybody doing in the chat? Let me get a hell yeah. Who here's who still got stock in GameStop and AMC? Let me get a hell yeah, because AMC is going up in the roof. It's fucking dope. Alright, so we succeeded. Good. Alright. Now I'm wondering, like, this component that I want to have. Do I have to build lighting, by the way? Probably. It doesn't say. Do I automatically disable on-screen messages? Huh? Okay. Whee! Like, I'm wondering if this component just needs to be like a widget component. Like, what should this target lock really be? Like, should it literally be like kind of like a target mark that's like? It definitely has to be a widget. There has to be a widget component because I want you to visually see some sort of like lock-on thing when you do it. So I'm thinking widget component. I don't know if it's this component is allow interaction. No, I don't want to interact with it in that way. Okay. So I guess, yeah, public, they want us to do that. So there's hero. All right, you know what? Fuck it. I don't like this stuff. Can I not do it? I have to cancel probably. So I need C++, widget component, and I also had to make a UI. So I think I have a UI thing. Yeah, okay. Lockon. I think it's a good. Hero underscore lockon. Widget. A lock-on component. I'll say widget component. And it's gonna give us the same problem, I'm sure. fine. Okay, the music got better. Whoops. So, UI, right? Yeah. I feel like someone's behind me. Okay. Lockon. Okay. So we're good there. Actually, I don't know if it's building. Still gotta get used to this. Oh, they give you like a to-do list? Wow, I found 7,000 to-dos. Alright, so it built successfully. Great. Okay. Okay. Did it build? What is this crap? Stop giving me that error. Like, we should be okay. I'm so confused. Oh, it's still running? Good job, Devin. All right, we're back in business. Okay. So now we have my dummy dude, right? So I want to add probably have to be public. I really want to get better at code typing. I guess that's just coding. U property. Pretty sure it's gonna be class. Now, which component? How is that? Oh, I am in the widget component. I want to do that. So it's U. So here's my test dummy. Let's just move to the right. Okay, so we have our dummy. We're gonna do our .h. All the stuff. So class U hero lock on widget component. I'm definitely missing something because it just feels that way. Okay, definitely need a pointer. Okay, so this could be under protected then. So class this component, we're gonna call it Lockon component. What do you mean is not implemented? I don't have to do anything with that, right? Oh, I have to fucking spawn it. So how does it go? Lockon component. Is that what I named it? No, it's not a function. Dirt. Create default sub-object. I think I definitely have to include it here. So hash include hero UI Lockon view hero widget. Do I then just do text? Lock on component. Could something? Oh wait. Yeah. So I don't think this will compile correctly because I added stuff to a header file. But we'll see. Okay. So in theory, test dummy. I should be able to make a test dummy class. Yes, hero test dummy. PP hero test dummy. Now when I create this, yeah. Yeah, so that's the problem, right? Because it's an empty actor. Oh, fuck. What's up, Bill? How you feeling? Yeah, so we're gonna have to add some more components here. We'll give it a static mesh component. A lot better. How was the barbecue? Did you do anything? You kind of just chilled? Did you nurse a beer the whole time? Yeah, I want to remove this comment and to do. Guess I can copy this. No, I didn't drink. Okay, smart. It's gonna be a use static mesh component, right? Dummy mesh. Yeah. Now I think I gotta include mesh. Before include static mesh component. Now, I don't think this thing needs the tick, so I'm going to take that out. I'm also going to take out the tick at the bottom. Okay, now we can take this tick out. So I guess what is it? The dummy mesh equals create equals sub-object. Use static mesh component. We'll call it dummy mesh component. Now I gotta say what root component equals dummy mesh. So what happens now? My God, I always compile it the wrong way. Okay. Is this just enough if I hot reload it this way? No. Can I reparent it? Actor. Okay, so crash, I suppose. I did not like it when I reparented that. Okay. Cool. Okay, hero, actors, test dummy. Alright, so we definitely have the mesh. Alright. Let's just make it a cube. Now, I wonder... Oh, I think I want to on construction, I think. Move the position of this component. But for whatever reason, it's not appearing those things. So I wonder, do I have to like do a full hot reload or something? Let me just exit out again. Do a recompile. Let's look again. Okay. Maybe I don't have to do it that way. No, I should. I probably would also want to make a what is it called? Interface, like has Lockon interface, and then I could just tell it's okay if he has a Lockon interface, then show this thing. No, but uniform plus have transform. I wonder why it has a missing transform. We'll have to find out. Okay, so we have to add it to a root component. So do I have to be like... Oops. And let's see, attach parent. How did I do the foliage actor? Okay, so that doesn't even have a thing. Okay. Item. Set up attachment. So do I have to do like lock component, set up attachment, then do dummy mesh? Oh God. And then let's try recompiling that. Try it now. Okay, so it worked. All right. I just don't know. Do I like hot reload it? I never know with these things, but you know. Okay. There we go. So I think I want to do like potentially should I do like on construct and then, or should I like manually place this? Like should I like for whatever actor I want to create that has this component, do I want to like manually just say, okay, it's going to be, you know, just for this case, this is going to be like dead center? Maybe. Let's put our dummy in. I hope it doesn't have gravity. Okay, cool. Yeah, so essentially I want to press E and then do a trace to see if something has this target component. Wonder what the best way to do that would be. Okay, new C++, it's class, I'm pretty sure. But I think it has to start off with its object. I don't think there's an explicit class for a implementation. I know we did this before. I just gotta remember. Yeah, interface. Like, I don't even know if we even use this class anymore. Yeah, it doesn't really do anything. Yeah, so let's go to a new one. So I think it just has to be a bare object. Interfaces. Call this Lockon interface. Nah, just Lockon. I think that's kosher. And then hero Lockon interface. We'll let that go. Oh yeah, AMC's up again. Oh, I don't know what I should sell. I don't have that much. I have like 70 something shares of AMC and it's like at 30 bucks. If it gets anywhere near like, I don't know, like I'm gonna get nervous when it gets to like 100. That's like $7 grand in my pocket. All right, let's fix the usual shit. Let's worry about the header right now. So So it's gonna be U interface. Not gonna be a U class. Generated body, and then it needs to do this. No export types. I don't need hero character. Oh yeah. So hero underscore Lockon interface. It's gotta be I. Now, view function, blueprint callable, blueprint native event, category broadcast. I guess it would have to be bool has lock on component. Would it be something like that? But does it have to be a blueprint native event? I always forget how these things work. Uniform interface plus dev enabled. More recent one.
Underscore and the name.
Let's just see.
Function is used is our class that will be kind of to do that implement means that we need to specify our interface on will know that it's going to open.
Hey, Hada, Spider Konagafu, why are you saying you're stupid? What's up?
Override this function named interact pure. The other thing that we can do, because we know that we won't have any class definitions here, so we're not going to place anything inside of the interface look for the interact pure code. So the next step is class using the interface.
Okay, so we gotta be like, let me just say what U function. Virtual void has lock on component. Underscore pure 0. We gotta add these little and the end there. Right. Okay. Now we got what? Add this to an actor.
To add to the signature here a comma and then the declaration of public and the name of the interface that we've called this. So
okay. So we're gonna add it to our dummy. So comma. What is it? I?
I interact interface.
Yeah.
Interfaces are always prefixed with an I. Inside of Rider, this automatically knows that the include is meant to be put up here. If you're using Visual Studio.
I'll include that. Hash include hero interfaces lock on. Okay.
Studio or something else, you may need to bring
What does he say?
different function down here. And the first one was our blueprint latency. This will be our that will be overriding this as well. And just
okay. So can make, well, we can put it here. Void as lock on component. I guess I would have to call it implementation, right? I'm going to call it pure like that, so I can say pure underscore implementation override. But yeah, it has to be a virtual pool. Cool.
Just a reminder that this is going to give us a blueprint function if we have a class deriving this in blueprint for the character class. Next, we need to make sure that we include the pure version, so this will be a virtual void, and that was interact pure, and we're going to call the interact pure.
Okay, so it actually is this.
Override, and again, just a reminder that this will be our C++
Virtual void.
make an implementation.
No, virtual bool.
So I'm just using again
As not pure.
generate
Right.
implementation. This will automatically create the functions inside of the code file, and this is where we're going to
Now we can.
functionality for any of the classes which are calling the function, making that message from the interface to the class that they're housed on. So I'm going to keep this nice and simple.
Okay.
I'm just going to provide these as message logs, and the main thing is checking how these are going to be called and when they're going to be implemented in the world. So for the
Yeah, sorry, I'm kind of watching this video off screen.
the underscore log of type log being called, I'm going to declare e-byte line trace casting a line into the world, and the reason I'm using this is passing everything back, including.
Okay. So I guess all I would want to do, so this one I don't want to do anything. This is just blueprint implementation. Just can I just do super? As long. I don't know if that's gonna be like the right way to do that one. And then this one, you have to be like get all components. So get components. What does get components give us? Get a direct reference to the components set rather than a copy of them. So do I have to be like T array? Then what? Guess it's U actor component. Components equals, yeah, components maybe? So it's okay, so it says T set. Then can I say for view actor component components if how would I want to write this? If that, and then view hero. And then break. And then I guess it would have to be here where it's like Turn false. No. I guess I would have to be like bool has lock on component. It's false. And I can just say has lock on component equals true. And I guess I could still do break. And then here just return as lock on component. I wonder if that's gonna work. I don't know. I just want to see if not having anything in here will cause any problems. What does this gonna say? I guess we'll have to say return true for now. Missing public and class declaration. Well, am I? What am I missing?
Trace. So that's the way to call get it, or something to call, so that we know what type of message implementation pure version. So this will be a virtual void.
I'm not sure what this error means. Let's see. For C++, missing public in class declaration. Let's see. Okay. So do I have to be like that? So that's kind of dumb. Okay. Hero. Thank you. Now, the item base, do you do that? Or collectible base? No. Okay. So we have our test dummy, and we have a has lock on component pure. Now I need to check to see if it's like, let me just see what this class looks like now. So it has the hero lock on interface. Is there an override? Yeah, okay. I do something as simple as this. Let me just see if that prints hello. that does. That's just print true. So it prints true, but maybe because it always is told to print true, so it says return true here. So let me just return false and just see if it says false, because if it does, then that's bullshit and we need to rethink it. AMC's up again, or did I just not delete that last notification? My god. Yeah, okay. So we still have it, right? Yeah. So let's see if it says false now. Yeah, it says false. So that's pretty unreliable. Can I say like return? Can I say like return has Lockon pure? Wonder if that has a problem with it. Okay. So it doesn't mind it. Let's just see what it returns. So we might then have to start debugging to see if it's wrong. So it says true. So what if I were to comment this out? Would it then say false? It says false, and I think we're in the money. Boom, boom. Okay. And we got false. Okay. So I'm confident that this works. So let's put everything back. Okay. So now in our project settings, we gotta add a new key press. E is gonna be for now our target locking. Maybe middle mouse button actually. But you know, we got the scrolling part. Maybe middle mouse button is not the safest thing to do. We'll do E as an echo if it's not already taken. I don't think it has anything. Input. So toggle sprint that, mouse wheel, text tab. That's fine. Foliage debug. Don't really know what foliage debug is. Sheath and attack, block, crouch. All that good stuff. Okay, so I think we're safe. Lock on target. Let's say E. Okay. So in our player character, have to make a function. Oh wow, we didn't really. We still need to clean this one up, huh? Void. Lock on target. Checks for target within range of trace. And locks on. So yeah, we definitely got to generate a definition. Yeah. So we probably need another variable. View property, we'll do edit anywhere. Might have to make this a data asset because we have all these things. Category, lock on. Float, we're gonna say lock on trace distance. No, I forget. Might want. I'm gonna do this in blueprints, I think, first. So player character. So we have movement data, so we might just have to make another data thing. So we're gonna say lock on target. Let's just first make sure this works. Press E. Okay. And our dummy actor, we can get rid of that. We don't need any of that right now. So that we know this works. Now, what do I want to do? Like sphere trace? Sweep the sphere along the given line and returns all hits counter to no. Yeah, I might want to do multi-sphere trace by channel. So we'll have to make a variable for radius. Trace visible, draw debug type, we'll do for duration. Draw time, all good. We don't really have the trace complex. Let's just make sure we just make us ignore us. So self. So start. I guess it would be what? The camera location. Get camera. Is there a component? Camera manager. I guess we could just do a like get skeletal. I think just get mesh. Get phone name. Get location. Now let's look at our mesh real quick. Or skeleton, I should say, really. Alright, so head with the lowercase. Now we're always going to do like I wonder like how it would work if we're in like preview mode if you want to toggle and target something. Let's see. Get control or get actor forward vector times some sort of distance. We'll say like 1,000. So that should be it. So I press E, and it's like that. So yeah, it's going that way. I think I want it to be from the camera. Get camera manager. Get forward. So we're doing like that. Yeah, they're like that. Then we're like that. Yeah. Okay. So we just gotta convert this to code. So we have to add it to our bind actions. Should be fun. Bind action, I believe it's called lock on target. IE pressed. This. Any hero. Lock on target. Booyah. And again, we'll do this baby steps. We'll just do a UE log. Lock on target. Bam, bam. Do a quick compile there. It's compiling everything, okay. Cool. So, well, for now, let's disconnect that. Okay. We did not like that. Fine. Oof, that feels good. All right, we're in the money. Okay. So disconnect, save, compile. All right. So now when you press E, we should get a UE log. I have to get my output log. Oh God. All right, let's close it. Developers, right? Output log. There you go. So when I press E, we should just see that message. Bam, 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 bam. Yes. We are seeing it, so we know we good. Okay, let's go back. So now we have to do this trace. And I know tracing is a pain in the ass in C++ from what I understand. So I'll have to Google it. So UE4, C++, multi-sphere line trace. Okay. So is he only doing this in blueprints? Yes. Okay. So I have to basically say F collision shape I'll say collision sphere equals F collision shape make sphere 500? Oh no. Alright, we have to do get world. I know that much. So let's do get world. Do I have to include world? I feel like world is already in here. Yeah, it's already in here. Get world multi. So sweep multi by channel. So it needs hit results. We have to make those. So TRA F hit results. I don't think it's gonna be hit results. Out results. So we say out results. What's next? What next? I don't know. So start. So where do we start? We'll do that too. F vector start location equals mesh get socket location. I think it's gotta be F text, right? F name. Head. That's really get mesh. Yeah. So start location. Next is end location. So I have a variable for tracing, right? Okay, we'll get the default value of 1,000. So we're gonna say F vector and location equals start location plus parentheses get player camera. Is there like camera manager? Get camera. Okay. Thought there was a function in here. Let me see. UE4 C++ get camera manager. Maybe I need to include something special. Oh, that's the blueprint version. It's a U gameplay statics. Okay. So do I have that U gameplay statics? Get player camera manager. Yeah, world 0. I guess I would have to be like, just to make it clean. A player camera manager. Camera manager, or wait, is camera manager already used? Okay, it's never used. Equals this. And then I can say what? Camera manager. Get actor forward vector times lock on trace distance So and location. I don't think I need a. I don't think I gotta give it a rotation, so I'm gonna ignore that. What does the internet say? Okay, so it does pass it. So we gotta do like. So he says fquat identity for that. I don't know what that really means. Then trace channel. Was it like trace channel? Let me just take this whole thing. Okay, so it's probably E-collision channel, right? Let me look at this. Yeah. E-collision channel disability, I would say. Now I can say what? Collision sphere. Anything else? I think I can get away with that, right? But I want to debug it. I always forget how to do this. C++ show debug or sweep. Capsule trace multi for objects. No. Okay, does this video give me any information? Getting hit results, okay, getting the location, shape. So he's doing draw debugs here. I don't want to do that. Garbage. So there's a draw debug helper. God. So I guess I'm looking for probably F collision query programs. F collision query programs. Okay, that didn't work. So trace tag, ignore. Okay, what's the other option? F collision response programs. F collision response programs. See if it actually will take me there. Because, like, I want to know how to draw the debug. Forgot how to do it. Maybe I can ask it in like a different way. U4 C++ line trace show debug line. See if we get any good info here. So it is collision params dot trace tag. Okay. So they're saying it's something like const f name trace tag. Lockon trace tag. Then they say what? Get world debug draw trace tag equals trace tag. Then f collision params. I think query params. Collision params. And I could say collision params dot trace tag equals trace tag. Okay, well, this opened up. I did not want Visual Studio to open up. Oh. Okay, whatever. Oh. Get away from me, Visual Studio. Get away from here. Okay. Then what? Is it collision params? Will that even work? Let me just fix my pants. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Not at all. Multi-sphere traced by channel. What did I do for the blueprint? So radius was 100. Maybe I made the radius too big? UE4 C++ equivalent to multi-trace sphere. So it's a Kismet library function instead. So maybe this is just the wrong function that I'm doing. So I'm probably wrong. This is probably dumb. Kind of looks okay. I don't think that's right. So let's do something else. So we need the system library. Do we have that? Doesn't look like it. Okay, bam, 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 bam. Go back down. So it's, I guess it has to be UKISS Metal System Library. Sphere Trace Multi. I think it's not by profile. So radius, trace channel. Yeah, I think this is what we want. So what do we need? I know we got a bunch of what we want and what we need. So I think I just gotta put this for the context object. Start, end, and radius. So start location. Oh my god. Start location and location. I have to make this a variable. Lockon sphere radius. Do 100. Lockon sphere radius. Then we need a query channel, so trace channel. That's fine, right? Trace type query, okay. Trace type query. I think it's gonna be 1. Is there a way to go to this? Okay, it's hidden. I'm pretty sure that's visibility. So B trace complex, we're gonna say false. T array, A actors, maybe pointer. Your actors. Okay, so it's gotta be something like that. Oh, I know what, A actor. So what is it asking for? Yeah. Get to the next line, make our lives a little cleaner. Debug, so draw, debug trace, for duration, I suppose. So we have the hits, right? Yeah, out results. Ignore self, right? Is that the next one? Set true. F color red. F color green. Yeah, 5.5.0 F, something like that. Okay, so we don't need the collision params or the tag. I think that's everything we need. Hope. Let's see what happens. Okay. We're good. Or are we? Yes. Okay, so now we have our trace. I want to I'll need to figure out like if two enemies or two targetable items are like in the same trace, I'd have to figure out which one's closest to me. I wonder if there's a method for that. UE4, C++, find closest actor to. I'll say reticle right now, even though I don't really have one. Let's see if there's anything I can just save for later, because I'm not going to do that right away. Okay, 404. So now this is a Boolean, so I guess I can say if then out result are gonna be what? So for F hit results, out results. Then we gotta say if hit results dot oh, yeah, let's slowly do logs here. We'll take that log. Oh yeah, whoops. I always forget that live coding is live, as the name suggests. So we'll build them actions up again. Ow, this chair wants me dead. So, like in theory, as long as they hit something, we should see lock on target. So yeah, we got it there. You can't really see it, so I'll keep hitting it. So we have the lock on target. I have to rewatch the interfaces, C++, Unreal Engine 4. 3 months ago. So I gotta remember how to check if an actor implements it. Okay, so if that class, implements interface. Okay. Then we gotta say if hit result dot actor get class implements interface u hero lock-on interface static class. All right, so what's wrong here? Is that okay? Oh, I keep doing that. Let's see if this is a-okay. Doesn't feel promising, but okay. So we should not get a message unless it has that interface. So I'm doing that, not getting anything. Then I go hit this. Yes. So we got that. So now I need a variable. A private variable for sure. You can get a private variable, but also make it exposed just in case I need to get a reference to it. So it's gonna be what? Class A actor locked on target. I guess I can make, no, these are properties. So I could probably make public ones, right? I don't know if it has to be a U function though. I'll just add it. U function. Let's see. So it's got to be class A actor. Get locked on target. I think that's fine. I guess I can make it, yeah, blueprint pure. Category equals hero, oops. Hero, targeting, I guess. I guess I could do force inline. So I always forget the syntax. Okay, it's in the curly braces. That makes sense. Like a mini function return locked on. Turn locked on target. Now. Okay. And for now, I guess it'll be the first one that it hits if I just kind of break out of it, right? So then I could say locked on target equals hit result dot actor. What's wrong? Hit result hit actor. Okay, that seems better. Hooray for that. And then I guess I could say break and then get this entire if. I guess I get to say else. Lock on target equals null pointer, I suppose. Let's see. Let's see what that does. I should really also print out like the name of the actor. So we'll do that next. Okay, we got some compile errors anyway. Uh-oh. So hero.h151. Do I need that? Yeah, it's like that. It goes around, goes around, goes around, goes around, baby, back around. Okay. Try that one more time. Oh yeah, I still gotta add the fucking name of the actor. Still, in theory, like everything should still kind of be working. Okay, so we have like the lock on target, everything is okay. So now, yeah, like, okay, it was working for a second. So now, even though if I don't hit it, it's gonna say lock on target, right? No? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to figure out a really good way to get like the appropriate target just based on both like position and like relativeness to like the camera angle or whatever. But so far so good. We can definitely do that. I know for next time I want to move some of these things. So lock on movement, add subtext, create lock on data asset for tracking variables. Investigate how to properly determine closest target based on camera and distance. Okay, that's just for our memory banks. I think we can quickly prototype like the visual part of it. But still, lock on target, and then what do I want to do? Lock on target, and then make it S for string, and then bam. So it could be hit result dot get actor dot get name. Probably one of these. Alright, let's see if that's okay. Just want to get the proper name, just so when we test it soon, we'll know which one we're talking about. Okay, so wrong. It's one of these bad boys. Telling you. Okay, so we did that. Okay, so we're good. Now we're expecting a name when it's valid. Yes, BP test 0 dummy 2. Okay, so that's gonna help us with debugging later. We don't have to really do much right now for that. So yeah, let's work on the visual. We're gonna do just a quick, easy thing. We'll switch it to C++ later, maybe, because like it could potentially just be a visual only. But you know, if you want to do all C++, then maybe that's what we'll do. BP UI target lock. And honestly, it's literally just gonna be a square for now. Fill screen, yeah, whatever. So we got a canvas panel. Let's do an image. Anchor to the middle. Size to content. Okay, I can't grow it. So we're gonna do, I don't know, 256 by 256. Alignment 0.5.5. Color, we're gonna make it something obvious. We'll do like a fucking pink. And that's really it. So now in our dummy, test dummy. We have our component in here. Widget class is going to be this for right now. Draw size, I think it's going to be fine. World. The widget will take you. Yeah, we'll say game time. Draw size. We'll draw a desired size. We'll see what that means. No, I think we're gonna do like just a visible toggle. Let's just see what it looks like. Can we see it right now? Yeah. Okay, we definitely want it. We want it to be screen space. And I'm pretty sure we have to say two-sided, don't we, somewhere? It's two-sided. Okay, so since it's screen space, it's gonna be two-sided. Ready? All right. So that's kind of the right idea. I just don't know if it's gonna be in here that I change how it looks. We'll say 64 by 64. Okay, so that doesn't work. So do I have to change it like here? So 64 by 64. That's kind of better. Now I want to try to prohibit it from drawing to be like too big. Well, there's gonna be a certain like max distance before we're gonna like say, okay, we're not even locked on anymore. So I'm just kind of wondering. What we should be doing next. Because like by default it should be invisible. So visible off. And now, yeah, we don't have it. Only when we like are able to like target. That's when we want it to show. So like, do I want to make a function? Or do I want to be like, okay, yeah, it should be an interface. Now, is there a way? All right, so this checks if it has an interface. And then call interface function. So, I mean, I guess it's enough. We don't even need that, like, other interface stuff in here. Where's my interfaces? So I guess I can just make another one. Public. This one doesn't seem necessary, like the one we created before. We'll say blueprint callable, blueprint native event. Broadcast the T. Now it's gonna be a void toggle lock on visibility. It's gonna take in a bool be toggle locked on. And then I guess we have to make another one. Virtual bool toggle lock on visibility pure bool be toggle lock on equals 0. And then in our dummy we have to do both, I think. Yeah. Cool. Like that. But also we gotta do. Alright, this is a void. Right? Yeah, whoops, virtual void. And then we do void, a toggle, lock on, yeah. Like that. And then generate definitions. Both of them. Okay. So implementation, oh, the implementation is going to just simply called pure. This one is going to say, so if Lockon component, set visibility to be toggle Lockon. So now we have that. In our character, we could say okay, simple right now. We can just say the cast to hero Lockon interface hit dot whoops yeah well no hit results dot get actor what's the yeah, so it's toggle something. Yeah, toggle. Cast here there. I'll just see what the problem is. Boom, boom, chicka, boom. So it's definitely gonna give me a problem. Ain't no doubt about it. Oh, why did it open up fucking Visual Studio? No, get out of here. So it says oh. I'll say true. I always mess up the parentheses. Classic mistake. Okay, so let's see. There we go. So in theory, this should work. So BP Oak Tree, is this what this one is? BP Oak Tree. So in theory, if I add a lock, oh, is it? So what kind of class is it? Yeah, Lockon component. So hero lock. Why can't I add? So it's introduced in Hero Test Dummy. Is that how I wrote it? So I have a Lockon interface. So under UI, Lockon. Let me see. I don't know why it's not showing up. UE4, C++. So component not showing in component list. Or custom component not showing. Let's see if we got an answer here. Aha, okay. So I need to have in U class, make sure you have class group equals hero component, I guess. I know I have a hint inventory component, no, don't I? Yeah. Let me just see. Oops. We're gonna call it hero components. I'm gonna just take that, go back down here. Do that. Hopefully that'll be okay. Fingers crossed that this compiles. Okay. So now, in theory, we have my oak tree here. Okay, I think I have to do a full like close the editor compile. Before those changes will show up. Okay. Do I really have 3 things open right now? Oh. I don't know why the fuck it crashed, but okay. This music's pretty good. Okay. So now, we have this tree, right? Hero lock-on widget component, right? Put it underneath the tree first, for example. Move it somewhere like that. So I think, like, I'll have to initialize this component so that it always has that class in it. Update lock-on component to contain widget class. And probably the same properties that I want to have. Default properties match what exists in dummy. So screen widget class is going to be target lock. Let me just get the dummy and just compare them. So the lock-on component, let's just diff. So draw size 464, visible by default, off. Draw desired size. Okay, that looks to match. So now in theory, I should be able to walk up to the tree and target it. If I did everything as cool beans as I think I did. No. Yeah. Okay, well, if I hit that, I got a lock on target for that. So for whatever the reason, it's failing here. So in the for loop, we'll have to debug that next time. Okay. Debug issue with tree and Lockon. Okay. So I think we're Gucci for tonight. We got a good amount done. We got the lock on kind of working. We have a lot of things to add because we've got that free content as well. So let's just add all our code files. Also, if I want to, no new task, investigate having source header files auto check out on modification. That would be nice, so I don't have to come in here and kind of manually do it. Okay. So definitely nothing in abilities, something in actors, yes, but we did that. Components? Yeah. Nothing in data that we gotta change just yet. Interfaces, but we add them. Their character, good. I think that's everything. So add new free stylized forest assets plus whip lock on targeting. feature, I suppose is what we want to call it. Submit that bad boy. Okay. This should update. There we go. Now let's update GitHub. Yeah. I hope this will commit correctly, just because we have a bunch of new assets. Definitely gonna take a minute, I'm sure. There we go. And there's an updated version of GitHub Desktop. Wow. Oh, let's get that booger out. Ow. That was a deep one. Oh, they're struggling, I think, because of the map. Oh. There we go. Cool. Alright, since I don't think anyone is currently watching, I'm not gonna raid anybody. So for everybody who stopped by, I appreciate it as always. Thank you so much. We'll stream again, not tomorrow, but on Thursday we'll definitely stream some more game dev stuff. Maybe some of the Game Development Book Club if you are interested in that, so stay tuned there. Thanks again. Have a good night.